Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing our experience hiking the Swan Lake Trail at Grundy Lake Provincial Park. But before I get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future camping and travel videos. Grundy Lake has 4 hiking trails with almost 13 kilometers of trails ranging in difficulty from easy to difficult. The sign for Swan Lake Trail says there are no specific challenges to note, but the hike is actually rated moderate to difficult on the Ontario Parks website, so be sure to check here before you start your hikes. Swan Lake Trail has rocky ridges, great wildlife, and beautiful lookouts over the wetlands. All right, Alan, lead the way.
All right.
If you're coming to do the Swan Lake Trail, there is parking at the start of the trail. But we walked from our site in Jack Pine and it wasn't that far, but I guess it depends on where you are in the park. Swan Lake Trail is about a 1.5 kilometer loop and there is no special difficulties. At a leisurely pace, one can walk the trail in an hour. So Alan, what time is it?
It is walking the trail time. Currently 3:30.
All right, we're gonna see how long it takes us. The beginning of the trail starts with a long, flat boardwalk over the wetlands, but then it turns into a floating boardwalk and gets a little difficult to balance as you're walking. I wonder if we can see any turtles, or maybe let's not stand on the same side. The wetlands are stunning with beautiful lily pads, flowers, and lots of birds. We are on the Swan Lake Trail and we haven't made it very far, but we've already seen some pretty incredible things. There is a beaver dam over here, we saw a heron, we saw 2 birds, we're not sure what kind they are, just get into a bird fight, and there's beautiful lily pads everywhere, so I'm gonna try and find a turtle. I think that would be pretty cool. We're gonna keep walking and see what we can see, but so far it's been pretty easy.
Safety first.
It is a little bit sketchy on this floating dock thing. See him? See my little frog friend right there? No turtles yet. We already kind of got a little bit lost, but they do have arrows painted on the rocks. And up here we can see a marker on the tree. So we're gonna keep following these. And though they say that this isn't very difficult, like there's some big rocks that you do have to climb to get on the path. So I would say that is a lie if you have mobility issues. Which way do you think you're gonna go?
I don't know. It's not the easiest way to get up here. I can try this way, but
I stepped on that one right there.
this one here?
Yeah.
I see a corner.
Well, if it gets too difficult, we'll turn around. The pathway was a combination of tree roots, rocks, packed dirt, small gravel, wooden boardwalks, and pine needles, so it varied in difficulty throughout the walk. We just took our time and went at a leisurely pace. At the beginning of the trail, there were some picnic tables and clearings overlooking the wetlands, and they seemed like a perfect spot to come and enjoy the nature views. There were amazing lookout points up on the rocky cliffs, and we saw some great scenery and even a family of geese going for a swim. We didn't see anyone else on the trail during our entire hike, so aside from the physical challenges for me, an out-of-shape person, and my hubby with a bad knee, it was very peaceful. Well, this isn't that leisurely. There's a lot of ups and downs and steep spots, and although it said there's no special considerations, I would say I disagree. Well, over here is where we started about an hour ago. Now I get to finish with this beautiful view. It did take us exactly 1 hour to complete this trail. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest, how would you give that trail, Alan?
If you're not used to hiking, that would be a 10. If you're used to hiking, probably a 5 or a 6. It is definitely not accessible, something I would not recommend for small children. Yeah. Even small dogs, I would probably not recommend that trail.
After successfully hiking the trail, we went and had a rest, but we thought it would be a beautiful spot to watch the sunset. So the next night we went back to get the sunset experience, but not before Alan had to test out this floating boardwalk one more time. If you want to check out our full experience at Grundy Lake Provincial Park, check out my camping video linked above and in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this hike through Grundy Lake, and as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more travel and camping videos coming soon.